Are you looking for a reliable way to design, edit, and manage RDL reports without complexity? Choosing the right tool for RDL report creation can make a huge difference in productivity, flexibility, and report quality. In this video, I'll walk you through the Bold Reports tools for creating and editing RDL reports and show you how the platform simplifies the entire reporting workflow, from design to deployment. RDL, or Report Definition Language, is a powerful XML-based format used to define data sources, parameters, and visual elements in reports. To work effectively with RDL, you need tools that support accurate RDL standards, rich visualization options, easy parameter management, and seamless preview and deployment. This is where Bold Reports stands out as a complete reporting platform. Bold Reports provides a report designer specifically built for creating and editing RDL reports with ease. Using the designer, you can create RDL reports visually using drag-and-drop widgets. Design tables, matrices, and charts. Add parameters, expressions, and filters. All changes are automatically saved in RDL format, ensuring full compatibility across reporting environments. With Bold Reports, you can modify report properties and expressions through an intuitive properties panel. And preview reports instantly to validate layouts and data. Whether you're a developer, data analyst, or business user, Bold Reports adapts to your workflow. Bold Reports also includes a report server that helps you manage RDL reports at scale. Using the server, you can store and organize RDL reports securely. Control access with role-based permissions. And view and interact with a report through a web viewer. This eliminates the need for multiple tools and manual report handling. Bold Reports RDL reports can be easily integrated into applications built with ASP.NET Core, JavaScript, Blazor, React, or ASP.NET MVC. You can also pass parameters dynamically. Allowing reports to adapt automatically to application context. In this video, we've explored Bold Reports tools for creating and editing RDL reports, and how our platform provides everything you need, from report design to management and delivery. If you're looking to modernize your reporting workflow and build impactful RDL reports with ease, Bold Reports is the right choice. To explore more features and start building impactful RDL reports, visit boldreports.com. You can begin a free 30-day trial or schedule a personalized demo with our team. Thanks for watching.